Welcome to PublishPuzzles.com. To get started, go to Membership Account and log in. Once you're logged in, click on Generator Hub. This is where all of the puzzle generators are located. Today I'll be showing you how to use the Premium Word Search Puzzle and Key Generator. This puzzle generator is only available to premium members, and that membership is $17 a month. You can cancel any time, and I offer a money-back guarantee. First, choose how many puzzles you'll be creating. Then select from either the predefined categories with their limited predefined words or select Custom List. In this demonstration, I'll show you how I use a custom list. This method is nice and flexible. You can either upload a CSV or copy and paste words into the word list field. Then choose your grid size, the words per puzzle, and the direction. Let me quickly explain the direction. This is like a difficulty setting. This feature dictates whether the words can be found vertically, horizontally, diagonally, or backwards. Now select an answer key style. Name your puzzle book here with the project ID and move to the No Duplicates setting. Words never repeat in the same puzzle, but this is where you choose whether or not to allow them to repeat in the same batch. Because I'm using a custom list, when I toggle between the No Duplicates in Batch and Duplicates, I get a screen prompt about the number of words that are needed. I built this in for people who want to use the same words across several puzzles, but want different puzzles, like teachers, parents, and homeschoolers. Next, select your page size, set your margins, and if you're publishing your book, set your inside gutters as well. Then click Generate. In the preview, you'll see the puzzles and their answer keys. Finally, click the Print or Save as PDF. Don't worry if you want to start over. You can always choose Clear All/Start Over, and the page will go back to the defaults.